Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve the exercises from your textbook, page number 63 and 64. Cutting the halwa, parts of the strips and patterns. Cutting the halwa. Ramesh bought a piece of halwa for his children Amu and Anu. He brought a halwa for his children. Their names are Amu and Anu. Now, he divided it equally for them. Each will get this part of halwa. So, he divided main part halwa into two equal parts. So, each will get two parts of the halwa. Let's see how. This is the main part of the halwa. So, it is one part. Now, one part Amu will get and here Anu will get. Ramesh divide the halwa into two equal parts. So, he divides like this in two equal parts. Okay, so one part from one, this is the half of one. We can say this is the half of main one part. Okay, so each will get half part. When Ramesh divides the piece of halwa in two parts, then each child will get half part of halwa. Each will get 1/2 parts of the halwa. So we will write here each will get 1/2 means half part of halwa. This piece is too big. We can't eat it, they said. So he divided the pieces into half again. Half है उसका भी रमेश ने half किया. Now how many pieces will Amu get? Let's see. They divide this big piece into half again. Okay, like this. So इसका भी half किया. So here we can do main one part, two parts है, इसका भी half किया, इसका भी half किया. So when each of the two pieces of halwa is divided into two equal parts, then there will be a total 4 pieces. There will be a total 4 pieces of halwa. So we can write it 1/4. एक का 4th part. Main halwa 1 part. उसका half किया. Then we'll make 4 parts. Okay. So now each of the child will get how many pieces? Amu will get 2 pieces. And Anu also will get 2 pieces. एक part बड़ा था. So he made once again 2 parts. So 4 parts he made. From 4 parts both will get 2 pieces. Now, so he divided the pieces into half again. Now how many pieces will Amu get? Amu get 2 pieces. And what part of the halwa it is? What part of the halwa it is? Let's see. What part of the halwa it is? It is the 1/4 part of the halwa. Main halwa 1 piece, उसके 4 part के. So this is the 1/4 part of the halwa. So let's write in the textbook. It is 1/4 part of the halwa. Now make it even smaller, Dad. They asked. Amu and Anu said, अभी भी उसको और part में divide करो. So he again cut the halwa into smaller pieces. Let's see how he cut it. We'll make smaller part of this. Okay, इसके smaller बनाओ. So 1 के भी 2. Once again 2 piece का भी. So 1, 2, 3, 4 piece. इसके भी small बनाओ. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what part it is? 1/8 part. It is 1/8. 1 part है उसके 8 part बनाए. So Amu will get 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Anu also will get 4 pieces. Now how many pieces will each get? So each get 4 pieces. And what part of the halwa is each piece now? It is the 1/8 part of the halwa. If Ramesh had cut the halwa into 6 equal parts, how many pieces would each have got? And look at your answers for questions 1 to 4 and write. Okay, this we have to write from the 1 to 4 questions. Now we will make the halwa into 6 equal parts. We will divide the main part in 6 equal parts. Main one part. From one part we will make 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So each child will get how many? So each child will get 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3. And Anu also will get 1, 2 and 3. So from 1/6 part, it is the 1/6 parts and each child will get 3 pieces. So we can make a part like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And half of this will make a equal parts. Half of 4, half of 6, half of 8. Okay. Now see next parts of the strips. One figure is given. Look at the picture. Write what part of the strip is each green piece. Write the parts for a piece of each color. Now here one picture is given. Green color, blue color. Now main one part is given. From main one part they make a half. एक के 2 parts बनाए. So it is the half parts. Main one part we can say from one part equal to part. So each part is half. Half of this. Okay. Now एक part के कितने part बनाए? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 part बनाए. Okay. 4 part बनाए. So we can say each part is 1/4. Each part is 1/4. Once again, main one part, उसके 2 equal parts किए. So half, 1/2, 1/2. Then 4 equal parts. So each part is 1/4 of the whole. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Okay. Now once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1/8. Total 8 parts. So we can say each part is 1/8. 1/8 part of the whole. Okay. So first one part. Then we'll make half. Then 1/4 and 1/8. Now how many 1/4s will make a half? How many 1/4s? How many 1/4s will make a half? 2 1/4s. 1 and 2. 2 1/4s make a half. Once again you can see in the picture. Let me explain again. Main one part है. One part के 2 equal parts बनाए. So it is half. 1/2. एक के 2. एक के 2 part बनाए. So 1/2. 1/2. Then एक पार्ट के 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स बनाए. 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So each part is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. So 1/4 कितने हैं? 2 1/4 मिलके हाफ बना और 4 1/4 मिलके एक पूरा बना. Okay. Now see how many 1/8 will make 1/4. How many 1/8 will make a 1/4. 1/4 part कितना है? Only this much. 1/4 part is only this much. So how many 1/8 will make a 1/4? So it is 2 1/8 will make a 1/4. 2 1/8 will make a 1/4. How many 1/8 are in half? अब हाफ में कितने 1/8 है, हाफ देखो दिस मच इज द हाफ. ओके, हाफ में 1/8 कितने हैं, देर आर 1 2 3 and 4 1/8 in the half. So let's write how many 1/4 will make a half. How many 1/4 will make a half? So 1 and 2 1/4 will make a half. So here we can write 2 1/4 will make a half. How many 1/8 will make 1/4? How many 1/8 will make a 1/4? So 2 1/8 will make a 1/4. Write here 2. 2 1/8 will make a 1/4. How many 1/8 are in half? How many 1/8 are in half? There are 1 2 3 and 4. 4 1/8 in a half. Now see, now pattern on page number 64. Pattern. Look at this square. What part is colored blue and what part is green? One figure is given. Now look, by looking this figure we cannot give this answer directly. So what we will make? We will make a grid. First we will make a grid. Let's do. We'll make equal parts. This part, and here also we can make a part. Now it is easy to say total how many parts are there. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. This is the square. 4 4s are 16. So there are total 16 squares. Total we have 16 squares. Now blue how many? So 1 and 2. So we can say 2 by 8 part blue. 2 by 8 part 2 by 16. Sorry, 2 by 16 part blue. If we will make it 16 part only, instead of 16, we'll make only 8 parts. Let's make 8 parts only. And we'll make only half. Now how many parts we can see? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 parts. From 8 parts we can say it is 1/8. It is 1/8. So blue is 1/8. Blue is 1/8 of the whole square. See the second. What part is green? What part is green? Easily you can say what part is green among 16. Total 16 parts are there. So total parts we will write downside, and shaded part, green part only one. So it is 1/16 part is green. So students, write this in your textbook only. Next page, page number 65, from a part to the whole. You have to just draw. This shows 1/5 petals of a flower. 1/5 petals of the flower. So you have to draw. One is given, 4 more petals. Okay? 4 more petals you have to draw like this. Next, the picture shows 1/3 of the blades of fan. फैन का एक पार्ट है, दूसरे 2 पार्ट्स आपको ड्रॉ करने हैं. ओके, 1/3. 1 is given, 2 parts you have to draw. So you can draw in the textbook only. 3 number, half of the blades of another fan are shown here. Complete the picture by drawing the other half. Half means 1/2. Okay, so we have to draw 2 more parts. How many blades have you drawn? So you draw these parts, draw petals, the blades of fans, and draw it in your textbook only. Here you have to draw 4 more petals. Here you have to draw two more blades because it is 1/3 part. And here half is given. So 2 more blades you have to draw. So draw it in your textbook and enjoy it. Thank you, students.